So everybody wants to see horses that are, everybody says, well, when a horse is scared of the stick and string or scared of noise and movement is what it boils down to. Everybody wants to see, well, what do we do? You know, what's different? What's this? What's that? So actually, we've already had one session with this horse, so he's not as bad as he was, but we can still show you he's not great. And then we'll show you what we're going to do about it. So throw your stick and string over and show him what he does do right now, what he can handle. Okay, so he's handling that, but just barely. And then you can show him something a little more that he can't handle. Something that bothers him. And do it again. Okay, so you can see that he is bothered by the noise mostly. He's getting used to that, but even that used to bug him, just doing that. But he's coming. So, but we got to get him past that. So let's do some more of that. On the ground, his stick and string, and then back up. Yeah. Yeah, back up. All right, so something else that you can add into this. So I'm watching the length of the rope in between the horse and the guy, and the length of the rope's not changing, and so that means that the hand is tight, and so the horse is hitting a tight, solid rope. You can let a little bit of rope slide and just keep doing your thing, but so he doesn't run totally out of. You make it difficult for him to go, but he's not running into something absolutely hard. Okay, good.